Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Burp Suite latest version on Windows 11, but the process is same on Windows 10 or servers as well. Okay, first go to Burp Suite official website. It is portswigger.net. Then click on products. See here we have the Burp Suite community edition. Remaining two are the commercial version. So click on Burp Suite community edition. Then click on go straight to downloads. See, the latest release at the time of making this video is 2025.12. Okay, select the edition and select the operating system Windows x86. Then click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 356 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this exe file. See, download completed. Now click on this Burp Suite community exe file. Click on next. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location. I'm okay at the defaults. So click on next. Create shortcut menu folder. If you want, you can select this checkbox and this is the name. If you want some other name, you can remove and you can provide. I'm going with the defaults, so click on next. See, installation has been started. See, successfully installed. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Burp Suite. Click on it to open. If you have configuration file, you can select this load from the configuration file. Otherwise, use Burp defaults. Then click on start Burp. See, we got the Burp Suite. Now go to documentation and go to this academy. Then get started, get practice by going to these documents. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Burp Suite latest version. See here 2025.12 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.